We are trying to make some Y's out of X's. Here on CodeSpark, we only have the letter X. To make a Y, we're just gonna slice off a line. Ugh. This only works in adventure mode. Ugh, if only this was an adventure game, I'm gonna go see if I can make one. Better grab my phone. He ate the treasure. Not so fast! Now that I got my phone, we can make our own CodeSpark game. Whoa! Dragon! Okay, I admit it. I stole that treasure to make a Y. Now, please remember me when you eat me. I made my own CodeSpark adventure game to see if we can hurt that X. Uh-oh, I just remembered. I coded the X's with the dangerous program. When bumps the player, slam attack, repeat 3 times. This is what we call a letter X. Let's see if I can slice it and make a Y. Hi! The letter Y. Today's show is brought to you today by the letter X and by the letter Y.